Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. For today's video, I will be doing some very easy and inexpensive hacks using these Walmart plates. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with my first hack, I'm using a plate and a bowl. Now these were $1.98 each. They are very sturdy and high quality. I really love the color, so I'm going to leave them the color they come in. I'm also using this dowel. Now I already had this, but Walmart does carry dowels that you can use. I am going to just cut it a little bit smaller. This is going to be the center of my tier tray. I'm going to paint the dowel gray, so I'm going to use a light gray and a dark gray. Now I wanted this to match the bowls. The bowls have little spots of gray, so it's like a granite color, something like that, but it's very pretty. But after I was finished painting it, I regretted it. I should have just left it this natural wood color instead. To glue the dowel, I am using hot glue just for video purpose only, but I do recommend you using a heavy duty glue like this E6000, a super glue. You can even use nails, that works too. Or I think not nails, screws, but you have to drill a hole first so the plate doesn't break. That is it for this tier tray. It was very easy to make and it looks so high-end and high quality. I absolutely love how this turned out. For my next hack, I'm using a bowl and a plate. I am going to make a decorative tray. Now, once again, I'm using hot glue for video purpose only, but I do recommend you using a heavy duty glue. So I'm going to just glue the plate on top of the bowl, and that is it. This looks so high-end and it was so easy and inexpensive to make. For my next hack, I'm using this plate. This was $1.98. Now I'm going to make this into a decorative tray, and I'm using some nautical rope to make little handles. The nautical rope I use is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to add one on each side. To make this more sturdy, I'm adding some of this leather ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add a piece on each little side. Now you can use E6000 to make it extra sturdy. And that is it for this beautiful high-end decorative tray that was so inexpensive to make. For my next hack, I'm using the Dollar Tree bowl, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can use this. The first one is I'm going to start by adding some nautical rope, and then I'm going to just add some greenery to make this into like a little small planter. For the second one, it's going to be another planter but different. I'm going to just add rocks and succulents. For my next project, I'm using the same bowl and I'm only making this into like a wall decor piece. So I'm adding a initial in the center and I'm using this burlap ladder that I got from Walmart. To decorate this some more, I'm adding some of the boxwood greenery from Walmart. I'm going to add 2 pieces of stems. I'm tying them together in the center, one of them going on one direction and the other one going the other direction, leaving a space in between to add a bow. And that is it. Now I did add a little hook on the back using some jute twine to hang it on the wall. For my next hack, I'm going to do something that has been done a lot. Now I've seen a lot of people use Dollar Tree items, and right now Dollar Tree stuff is $1.25. But these plates and cup at Walmart were 50 cents each. So to make this was literally $1. I will be gluing the plate on top of the cup and I'm only using hot glue, but I do recommend you using E6000 to make this more sturdy. I'm making this decorative tray and I'm leaving it the color it is. It is a beautiful gray. So that is it. This was so easy and so inexpensive to make. For my next hack, literally anyone can make this. Is so easy. I'm using the 50 cents cup and distressing it a little bit using some white chalk paint. To decorate this a little more, I'm going to add some jute twine around the cup and adding a bow. And that is it for this beautiful planter that was so easy to make. For my next hack, I'm using the 50 cents plate and I'm going to leave it the color it is. And I'm also using this woodwork that I recently got from Walmart. It was $1.47. Now, they had more. They had this one that said hello. They had one that said home, welcome, and family. But for this project, I'm using the word hello. I'm going to paint this using some white chalk paint. Once it's dry, I'm going to glue this to the lower bottom of the plate. To decorate this some more, I'm going to use the boxwood greenery from Walmart. I'm going to cut 4 stems, tie them together, and leaving a space in between to add a bow. Before I glue the greenery, I'm going to just flip the plate around and add a little hook on the back. I'm using some nautical rope. And then I'm going to glue the greenery in the center. Actually, not in the center, at the top. I will be making a bow using this ribbon. I got this from Walmart a while back. It cost me $1. It was on clearance. It is like a white creamish color and it's beautiful. So I'm going to just add it in the center, and that is it for this Hello Wall Decor sign. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. Until next time, bye.